And I don't want that to be you, young man. I don't want you to be part of a group of people, group of men discussing things that are, it's not uplifting, man. Ask yourself, whenever you speak with someone, is this conversation to the like betterment of my future? Or is it gossiping about someone? Is it talking negatively about your colleagues or about your other friends or about other people? Or is it actually, guys, did you guys see this new investment plan? Did you guys see this new ways how to save money, how to, what's your credit score like? How can we build our credit scores up? Such conversations, guys. We need to really surround ourselves with people with the same mindset and the same goals that we have. That's why it ties back into episode 1 as your individual self. Because if you change your identity and you now identify as someone that wants better for himself, that wants to achieve goals that wasn't possible in the family generation, or if you want to really surround yourself with positive people as yourself, then you'll attract that type of people. You know, you will then push away and cut off people that you no longer want to associate with, that doesn't fit in the brand of your new identity. You will cut off that people and you will find people that has the same outlook on life